What's up mga kaparata for today's video? Today is March 12, 2025. Today is our iftar party ng Arla. So baka mag-isang sasakyan lang kami nila Roger, Christian at Randy. So sana may makuwang award sila paring Randy. So enjoy natin to. Let's go! Idol! Ang ina. Shit! Parang ano pre, wait lang, parang yung kukunin mo muna yung ano, makikipagkamay ka muna. Shit. Ay puta. Ang ganda yung outfit check. Panalo, parang di pa nagagasgas sa Sarap Road Jump pre ah. Shit. Sana all. Adinig oh. Parang na-inlove na naman sa'yo oh. Shit. Bad grass, puta naka-idlip pa yata ah. So guys, kami dalawa muna ni Idol Roger ang pupunta sa gawa ng si Pre, makipagkita mo na ako sa asawa ko at baka magalit na naman.
Uy, sana all!
Picture mo nga kami, Day. Day, picture mo kami, Day. Sa Rasidian yan.
Muna na kami kaso dumating si Bebe. Ayun o.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's...
So guys, yan tayo pupunta oh. Marriott Hotel. Idol! Dito na kami.
Hi, guys.
Nandiyan na yung mga taga-asa.
Pre, ganun kaya tayo mamaya. Si Grayson.
Sana all! So guys, wala akong dinalang sasakyan. So si Idol, bibigay niya yung sasakyan niya sa mga ano, hindi ko lang kung ano tawag dyan, mga billboy yata or something. So ayan na, pasok na kami sa loob ng hotel. Let's go! Kaya nga eh.
Hindi tayo, kapit tayo.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 still go, 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 slow, you still go, 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 still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Ready, 1, 2. Say Pinoy!
Pwede mo nga.
Pre, Arla number 1. Sana all. Idol.
Tapang mo?
Christian, may sinasabi si Madam Guys. Ano na sana?
Miss you.
Miss you.
Miss ka namin.
Miss ka daw, pre.
Wala si Ronel.
Ronel, pre. Julien ko na. Pre, ka muna ka. Ganda, pre. Ronel, pre. Ba't namuhi ka, pre?
Prestigious nga yan.
Pre, parang kinakabahan ka, pre, ah. Isang cappuccino. Pre, isang cappuccino ka muna kaya. Dubai na.
Pre, uy, nasaan na?
Second place pa lang, pre.
Ah, yan.
Century.
Prestigious yan.
Century yata yan, pre.
Hindi. Ano yan? Century Mall.
Pre, magbanapa ka muna kaya. Magbanapa ka muna kaya. Atake na ako dito, pre. Pre, no signal, pre, no signal. Nawalan ng kuryente, pre.
Wala, talo talaga sa putuan si Roger. 1.4 pre, may naman break yun pre. Outstanding lang. Sabi ko kay Roger eh.
Take a look at your cards, guys. 004.
Hindi, nakabox. Nakabox.
Nakasil pa naman sa greenhouse yung nakaraan niya.
Thank you very much.
Tinanggal sa box eh.
087.
Dalpis ka, pre, ah. Ano number yan, pre?
Right for pre.
Up next, 099.
09
099.
Shit!
Sat next to each other.
Uy, si Joseph! Baka na tayo. Ano na yung iPad na yan? iPad ha?
Ganda, pre!
Si Dylan.
Galaxy, pre!
Kumandaan.
Kailangan mo!
Nice one, join everyone.
3-2-1 mo na, best!
Sabi niya may bandit.
3-2-1 mo na.
No cheating.
Yung akin na yung dyan.
If we got 040, we're going to put it back.
Akin na yung damputin mo.
3-2-1 mo, pre.
Kanina tayo.
Kahit isa lang sa
So,
Kahit line up 3 lang.
the first number is 140. 140.
Alam mo yung 1 to 10 tapos may 3-2-1 pa.
Can anyone give me a guess? What is it? What might it be?
Laptop, Nintendo, grand prize, TV yata to eh.
TV. So,
No need yan.
we're going to have one lucky winner for the TV.
the best. Said, are you ready for the best? Let's go. Yeah, I said I got this, I'm in it. I'm hella filthy, so I got this, I'm winning. I'm not a quitter, so I'm not fucking quitting. Just try to stop me and you'll drop dead missing. I'm on my way to the top now, listen. I ain't never gonna stop, too driven. I ain't never getting lost, got vision. I'ma make this shit hot, ignition. Yeah, yo, give me facts, not fiction. Then you know I fucking listen, cause I'm on a fucking mission. Man, you got to be driven, cause this world is unforgiving. You're the only one that's winning, or the only one that's quitting. So get up and stay committed, don't be asking for permission. Hit the gas after ignition and start acting like you're winning. Make your own damn decisions, don't let others make you victims. Have a thought and have a vision, don't get caught up in the millions. Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light the shit up. Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light the shit up. Light the shit up. Let's go. Yeah, I said I got this, I'm on it. Give me 5 years and I got what I wanted. I'ma go ahead and finish all that I started. I'ma go ahead and get it all uncharted. I can make this place go off like a rocket. I can give a fuck if you hate it or you love it. I don't do this shit cause I think that you're on it. I just do this shit cause I know that I want it. I could give a fuck if I die today. If I'ma go out, it's my fucking way. At least I'll go out